Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. During the 10-10 long weekend, well, it wasn't truly long, since Friday was a working day, we decided to take the day off and head for an adventure. Today, we'll explore 3 must-visit sites that tell the fascinating story of Chiayi city. Our adventure began in Falnu Township, a place renowned for its persimmon production. Chiayi actually boasts the largest persimmon production in all of Taiwan. We then made our way to an indigenous village for a leisurely stroll, soaking in the rich culture and beautiful surroundings. You can check my previous video to learn more. Next, we headed into Chiayi city, where we revisited some iconic landmarks. If you are visiting Chiayi, don't miss out on trying their famous turkey rice. Unfortunately, the first shop I found was closed, despite appearing open on Google Maps. But we quickly found another place to enjoy this iconic dish. Chiayi turkey rice is a simple yet flavorful meal consisting of shredded turkey over a bowl of rice. This local specialty has roots in post-World War II Taiwan and has become a beloved dish across the country. Even though we came for the turkey rice, it was the turkey mixed with lurofan that stole my heart. It was absolutely delicious. Moving on to exploring. Our first stop was the Chiayi Old Prison, a unique historical site that dates back to the Japanese occupation era. Open to the public from Tuesday to Sunday with free entry and guided tours, this prison complex is a well-preserved reminder of Taiwan's past and a national monument worth visiting. Constructed between 1919 and 1922, the prison has withstood major earthquakes and society changes. A fan-shaped central platform serves as its core, with prison cells radiating outward. This layout not only showcases a practical use of space, but was also designed to enhance surveillance and control, illustrating how architecture was utilized to maintain order. Initially considered for demolition, the Chiayi Old Prison was declared a national monument in 2005, protecting it from destruction. A full restoration was completed by 2011, and the site now serves as the Prison Administration Museum. The design reflects early 20th century architecture, featuring a practical layout aimed at enhancing surveillance and control. Walking through the grounds, we catch a glimpse of the structured life that exists within these walls, showcasing Taiwan's commitment to preserving its colonial heritage. Next, we venture into Hinoki Village, Taiwan's first forest-themed cultural park. Spanning 3.4 hectares, this charming village celebrates Taiwan's forestry history from the Japanese occupation, while preserving 29 historical buildings. Built between 1914 and 1943, Hinoki Village was once home to employees of the Taiwan Governor's Office. The beauty of traditional Japanese-style buildings offers a serene atmosphere where culture and history intertwine. Today, Hinoki Village thrives as a cultural hub, featuring artisan shops, cafes, and regular events that celebrate Taiwan's craftsmanship. Whether you are a history enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, there is something here for everyone. Though there wasn't much going on here during the weekday. Unfortunately, the sun decided to hide away, but the weather still remained very warm. However, cooler autumn winds could be felt from time to time. After exploring, we hopped on bikes and rode around the city, arriving at Chiayi Park. We even stopped by the quirky Turkey pedestrian crossing, which is only available at a few intersections. Being here, I couldn't miss it. However, I must admit, Chiayi isn't the most pedestrian or bike-friendly city. Sidewalks are quite rare, so if you are not comfortable navigating alongside cars and scooters, this might not be the best destination for you. To wrap up our day, we took a relaxing ride around Chiayi Park. It's a spacious area, conveniently located near where we parked, making it perfect for unwinding. Established in 1910, Chiayi Park is a historic and scenic area located in eastern Chiayi City. The Sun Shooting Tower stands 62 meters tall and draws inspiration from the giant trees of Alishan, featuring brownish aluminum stripes that mimic the texture of tree bark. You can take in breathtaking panoramic views of Chiayi City and the surrounding mountain scenery from the observation deck. Final destination was the Kagi Shrine, originally a sacred Shinto shrine established by the Japanese. This site represents the rich cultural evolution of Chiayi, having transformed through various periods, including Qing rule and Japanese occupation. Constructed in 1915, Kagi Shrine became a center of spiritual life for the Japanese settlers. Its architectural significance lies in its traditional Japanese styles, blending temple and residential designs with local material like Alishan cypress. Although much of the shrine was destroyed by a fire in 1995, key elements such as the purification fountain and stone lanterns remain, preserving the site's spiritual symbolism and aesthetic charm. Spanning over 268,000 square meters, the park features tall old trees, waterside pavilions, terrace houses, fish ponds, and winding pathways that create a serene atmosphere. It's home to numerous historic sites, including the Martyrs Shrine, Chiayi Tower, and the Alishan Forest Railway locomotive. The park's design beautifully integrates the natural landscape, making it an ideal destination for visitors interested in history, culture, and nature. Today, Chiayi Park, where the shrine once stood, offers a blend of historical significance and modern attractions. It's a beautiful space where visitors can reflect on Chiayi's transformation from a sacred site to a vibrant public heritage area. Whether you are drawn to history, architecture, or cultural experiences, these sites are a must visit. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Chiayi City. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Bye!